Hallo Schüler, willkommen zur Deutschklasse Tag 3. Tag 3. Heute ist der 16. Februar und heute ist Dienstag. Heute ist der 16. Februar und Dienstag. Today I'm going to go over the last 3 assignments in Activity Board 9. You'll have a storyboard with infinitives and Aktivitäten that I'll talk about. The 10-minute history play posit about Frederick the Great and the rise of Prussia that I assigned on the day I was out is due. And so if you haven't completed that, please do that as soon as possible. And then the self-assessment for Activity Board 9. So I will go over the storyboard. Also, aufklicken auf Storyboard with verb infinitives und Aktivitäten. If you click on that, we went over earlier in this activity board infinitives, and the infinitive is a verb form of the verb before it's used in a sentence. So examples of that in English would be to learn, to play, to sing, to draw, to eat. And then in German, the infinitive is just the verb with an en ending, so no to. So we're adding objects for these infinitive object expressions in order to express an activity. So the first ones you have here are school subjects that you learn. Deutsch lernen, Mathe lernen, English lernen, Geschichte lernen, to learn German, to learn math, to learn English, to learn history. And you'll notice the infinitive verb comes before the object in English, but the object comes before the infinitive verb in German. And then down here you have a number of activities that we learned. Fußball spielen, ein Lied singen, ein Bild zeichnen, Basketball spielen, Netflix schauen, Videospiele spielen. Okay, so to play soccer, to sing a song, to draw a picture, to play basketball, to watch Netflix, to play video games. And the idea for this assignment will be to create a storyboard or a series of scenes that depict one of these expressions in each scene. So sign into Storyboard with your BASD Schools Google account and then click Create a Storyboard. And the first thing you're going to want to do in the right side is to delete cells, and you're going to change to 6 cells instead of 3. And then this is a scene that I did as a demonstration. So yours can be more elaborate. This is just an example. So you're going to use one of the expressions with the infinitive verb and the object, Deutsch lernen, to learn German, and then depict that being done in the scene. And so there'll be a mixture of school subjects and then hobbies or activities from that list. If there's something that you want to do that you don't see on the list, that's fine. Just check with me to make sure that the expression is done correctly or spelled correctly, organized correctly. And then when you're finished, please take a screenshot. You might need to take 2 screenshots. You might need to shrink your screen so that you can see the whole thing in one. Just make sure that you can read it after you take the screenshot, because some submissions I got for the last one, I couldn't read them because the text was too small. So enlarge the text if you need to when you take the screenshot. Okay, so 6 scenes with those different expressions, and that's it for the storyboard activity. And then the second one's the 10-minute history video. Play, pause it. If you haven't finished that, please do so. And then the last assignment for Activity Board 9 is the self-assessment. And please complete that as soon as possible. Okay, auf Wiedersehen.